I am standing in the middle of an ocean. Well, it would be if it was 80 million years ago, but today it's a desert. This is fossil rock, one of UAE's most famous natural wonders. This rock is like a living time capsule, dating back to over 80 million years ago. This whole desert used to be underwater during the Cretaceous period. So why is it called fossil rock? Well, it consists of a rich collection of fossils of marine animals like anemones, which are squid-like animals, and other marine reptiles that used to live in these lands. These rocks tell a story of time, when this desert used to be a vast deep ocean. AlFaya, which is intrigued scientists due to its unique alignment with the stars. The AlFaya rocks are known to align perfectly with certain constellations at specific times of year. Experts and scientists believe that ancient civilizations used these rocks as a sort of astronomical calendar to keep track of the time and predict seasonal changes. Now imagine these ancient desert dwellers using the stars to guide their way. Now we're pretty much doing the same thing, but with more advanced technologies. The Faya Desert is truly a window to the past. And the best way to learn about the geology in the Faya Desert is in the Buhais Geology Park. But what is geology? From ancient Greek, geo means earth and logy, science. So simply, it is the science of the earth. Let's see what's inside. The Arabian Plate has moved a lot throughout history, and studying geology allows us to analyze the changes and picture exactly how the same place looked millions of years ago. But studying geology allows us to predict future geological changes of the Earth. Due to the constant movement of the continents, eventually the Pacific Ocean will shrink, meanwhile the Atlantic Ocean will expand, and the Mediterranean Sea one day will not even be there, as the African continent will move into Europe. Studying geology allows us to understand how the Earth would have looked like millions of years ago in this specific place. It also lets us predict future geological changes and help us adapt to them. In this geology park, you can find a variety of different minerals, such as a gabbro, a quartz, or a serpentine. And personally, one of my favorite exhibitions here are very well-preserved fossils of actinellas, which are a type of sea creatures that once swam in these lands. But you can also find a lot of other types of marine animals that are very well preserved in the rocks. The Buhais Geology Park is one of the most unique places on the planet where you can witness rocks that are normally hidden from sight and originated from the deep earth. But this park also offers us the opportunity to walk through the rocks and see history for our own eyes. So there's a path that's about 1 kilometer long, and it takes you through the different rock formations and allows you to really see it with your own eyes. We are now in Jabal Buhais, a geological wonder of the Sharjah Desert. Here you can find a variety of extraordinary rock formations and fossils of long-extinct marine organisms. These are Bronze Age burials that are around 3,000 to 4,000 years old, and where archaeologists uncovered human skeleton remains. And one of the most striking phenomena in the desert? Pink rock. It has this beautiful, almost surreal pink color. But what causes this? The pink color is caused by the combination of minerals, like iron oxide, which is present in the sandstone. And as it reacts with the elements, it forms this color. And as the sun sets, the rock glows with this very unique pink hue, making it the perfect spot for a desert sunset.
Before, camel caravans used to walk these lands. But now, the desert is a perfect place for entertainment and extreme sport activities.
That was Rosanna Science. Until next time.